Is your Ford F-150's alarm constantly going off? The most common culprits are the door ajar sensors and the hood switch. The door ajar sensor, a small switch inside the door latch, can malfunction due to dirt, wear, or corrosion, especially in supercrew models. This causes the system to think a door is open, triggering the alarm. Similarly, the hood switch, located near the hood latch, can become misaligned or corroded, signaling an open hood. To diagnose these issues, first, visually inspect all door and hood switches for damage or debris. Try cleaning and lubricating the door hinges and latches, as well as the hood latch. A simple fix could be all you need. If problems persist, consider using an OBD2 scanner to check for error codes like B1A, which indicates an Ajar fault. Remember, in early 2025, Ford issued Recall 24V123 addressing faulty door ajar switches, so check if your F-150 is affected. If the door and hood switches are not the problem, the alarm's sensitivity might be too high. Many newer F-150 models from 2023 onward allow you to adjust the sensitivity via the Sync menu or the Ford Pass app. Ford's 2025 firmware update, version 2.4 for Sync 4 systems, aims to reduce false positives by 30% through enhanced sensitivity calibration. You can also use diagnostic tools like the Ford IDS software to recalibrate the alarm thresholds. If these software solutions don't work, consider more advanced troubleshooting. DIY fixes are increasingly common thanks to online forums and tutorials. However, if you're not comfortable working on your vehicle, consulting a certified mechanic is recommended. Experts estimate that 90% of these issues can be resolved without replacing parts by properly resetting the sensitivity. For older or high-mileage trucks, the body control module itself might be faulty, requiring professional diagnosis and potential replacement. Keep in mind trends point towards fewer hardware-related alarms in future models, thanks to advanced sensor technology and over-the-air updates, especially in electric F-150 variants like the Lightning.